You've probably heard that Kotlin and Java are the dynamic duo of the JVM. But how do they work together in a code base? Today, let's look at how Kotlin seamlessly interoperates with Java, making your transition smoother and your projects more powerful. Many code bases run on Java and can benefit from Kotlin's concise syntax and modern features. Interop allows developers to mix Java and Kotlin without rewriting the entire code base. Kotlin is designed to be 100% interoperable with Java, preserving years of Java work while moving forward. So let's check it out. So I've got a Java class named person, and here's the code. It's got a method named getName, which will basically just return the name of the person, in this case John Doe. So on the right hand side, I've got a person test case class, which is a Kotlin class, and I'm going to use that to test our person Java class. Let's go ahead and write our test case, and we can call person Java class from Kotlin. So this will be our test case method. Okay, now that we've got our test case method, what I'm going to do is call the person object, which is our Java class. And what I'm going to do is just validate that, we do get the name that we're expecting, which is John Doe. And our test case pass here at the bottom, this is now Kotlin calling our Java code. Okay. You'll also notice Kotlin's powerful feature of exposing the getter as a property and adds null safety checks to it. And up next, we can look at our Kotlin class here, which has a simple add method for our calculator object. So Kotlin is powerful because in this case, it will actually generate a .class file that is compatible with Java. Yes, and our add method, as you can see, and as you have expected, it accepts two parameters to add, which will return another integer. And another nice thing with Kotlin is for your one-liner operations, you do not need to specify your curly braces for the body of your method, which is cool. And here we are again. This time we've got our Kotlin class on the left-hand side, and we're going to write a test case which is called calculator test, and it's a Java class. So let's get started by creating a test case. So in this case, we will say should call Kotlin calc. And now in our test case, we're going to call our calculator instance. Then we're going to call the add method, pop that into a variable. And what we're going to do is run an assertion. Okay, so 1 + 2 is 3, not 4. And let's run our test case and see. And as you can see, our test case did pass. This is now Java calling Kotlin. So this is really awesome because you can continue without actually rewriting everything. And this is what interoperability means between Java and Kotlin. So you can make Kotlin much more friendly with Java for edge cases like statics. So in this case, let's picture you've got a static function or method in Kotlin, right? So in this case, for that, you would need a companion object. And let's just say in this companion object, we've got another function. Maybe in this case, we'll call this multiply. So in such cases, you can make it more friendly by using annotations like the JVM static to specify that this is a static method in the JVM world. And now looking at our new static multiply method, let's create a test case and test it out. So once again, on the right hand side, what you will do is test multiply, right? And what you can do now is just call the calculator multiply 2 and 3. Yeah, that's fine. And with 2 and 3, we want to assert that this will actually be 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's run our test method and see. And as you can see, this test case was also happy. So this is cool. And at the moment, yes, there are limitations. For example, you cannot call Kotlin extension functions from Java directly. All in all, I think this is quite cool, and this is what Kotlin's interoperability with Java means. And from here, I would say like, follow, share, and subscribe for more insights on Kotlin, Java, and development tips that level up your skills. I will see you in the next video.